Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I'm the mummy Finger. Garlic chutney, also known as red chutney, is different from the other chutneys. It involves no cooking of the ingredients. It is a quick recipe and a favorite from my childhood. Red chutney makes an excellent combo with idli and dosa. Please check the description below for the ingredients and recipe. Take 2 whole pods of garlic. Peel and cut the garlic cloves into small pieces. Grind them in a mixer to a coarse paste. In a bowl, take the ground garlic. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, add oil enough to immerse the ground garlic paste. Mix the ingredients well. I have used sunflower oil in this recipe. Gingelly oil also adds more flavor to this chutney. Tasty and spicy red chutney is ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.